Hi everyone. So last week you had no lecture material that you had to go over, just reading that you needed to do out of the textbook. So I'm making up for it this week. You have a very long set of lecture notes that will give you information on argumentation specifically. And this is in addition to what you're reading in the textbook. So don't forget or think that this is the only instruction you need on argumentation. There's more in the textbook for you. But also on synthesis writing, which is really the direction we're headed after this proposal paper. You need to know how to build that type of essay specifically in conjunction with argumentation. So these notes cover a lot of ground. There are a couple of videos, at least one video I believe, other than me talking to you, that you need to look at. So make sure that you have this downloaded, view all the videos, go through all the material, and keep this information in mind as you start building your synthesis paper, major paper number 3.